Hello! Welcome to Neil Bakes. It's week 3, bread week, and today we're going to be making some takeaway classics, Naan Breads. It should be a fairly simple thing to do, look quite simple on the programme, and who doesn't love a naan bread? So, without further ado, on your marks, get set, bake! And here are the ingredients. Some fairly simple ingredients, so hopefully it should be fairly easy too. Okay, so first step is mix the flour, salt and baking powder together in a bowl. So my flour, stick it all in here. In a jug, whisk together the milk, yogurt, egg and caster sugar. It's like making glorified scrambled eggs. Make a well in the centre of the flour, pour this in and then bring it together with one hand apparently. It's going to be very, very sticky. Oh my god, this is so sticky. Sticky fingers. Okay, well we are there. Soft, but it's still sticky. Yeah, very sticky. And it says, turn out onto a lightly floured worktop, knead for 5 minutes until smooth, then place in a lightly oiled bowl, cover and leave to rest for half an hour. Need to knead this for 5 minutes. So get some flour on it so that it doesn't stick. Just smash it on the worktop like, you know, someone's head that you don't like. There we go, one ball of dough. That needs to go in a lightly oiled bowl. We'll rest in it for half an hour. I'm going to make the garlic ghee. Next step is to melt the butter in a pan, simmer for 20 minutes. So it's a nutty flavour, golden colour apparently. And skimming all the foam off the top. Woo! Take the foam off it. Oh my god! Okay, look. Let's move it on to the smallest ring we can. Bubble bubble. I'll be back when it's all done. Okay, so I've sieved it from the pan, taken all the foam off. It's a bit darker than what I would have liked, but I've had a quick taste of it and it actually tastes quite nice. So I'm going to stir in some garlic and then we'll leave that to rest while I make the naans. Oh god, that smells really nice. Okay, so next up, I'm going to make the naans. So this will just shape one piece into a ball, flatten it, then roll it into a teardrop shape. Okay. And there we go. That's looking like a naan bread. Here's the 8 naans. Nothing too bad. I think this second one here is probably the best shaped one out of all of them. Although some of them are alright, not too bad. I think this one's quite a bit too big, but we'll see. But I certainly think this one will probably look the best. Okay, let's turn the grill on and bake them. Okay, so I've heated up a baking tray. I'm going to put the naan breads on it, and that's going in for 1 to 2 minutes each. Look at it baking. That looks amazing. There's about another minute to go. I want to get like a nice nutty brown colour on it. Oh my god, pop, pop, pop. Oh, it's starting to brown. Look at that. Oh, look at that. That looks amazing. So that's going. We'll pop some of this on. So this is the best shaped one, so hopefully this will turn out pretty good. It's starting to bubble. It's going to explode. Oh my god. Ow. Sprinkle this with ghee, don't know how you pronounce it. Okay, we're halfway there. Back when we're all done. And here we are, finished product. 8 garlic naan breads. They look pretty good to me. Let's have a taste of one of them. Okay, so let's have a taste of one. I'll probably take this one here. Looks alright, still quite bendy. Nice crisp bit. I mean, colours are pretty good on this. Let's have a taste. That garlic flavour is really nice. Oh my god, wow, that is nice. It's a nice soft bread, and the garlic flavour with that the garlic ghee, if you want to call it. Whew, that is nice. I could eat all these, I could eat all more. Not even this, amazing. I think I might have an Indian tonight. But save on the naan because I've got them here. Nice golden brown colour. But the taste is amazing. Garlic naan breads. Nailed it. Next week it's dessert week. Not sure what wonderful desserts we make, but I will find out next week. Until then, bye bye.